How to open the Telegram bot of Hamster Kombat. Hello guys, welcome back to Training for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you open the bot of Hamster Kombat through the Telegram. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open the Hamster Kombat into your Telegram, and after opening the Hamster Kombat you will get to see a bunch of options into the home page. Now you will just simply have to select these three dots into the top right corner, and after tapping into that three dots you will directly get the option of open bot. Just simply tap to open bot, and as you can see here, the Hamster Kombat bot is already activated. This way you can easily enable Hamster Kombat bot. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.